Hello, this is Saswat. Do you want to unlock the power of free geospatial data for your projects? Today I will show you how to access ArcGIS Geospatial Data Service using Google Colab. Before we dive in, make sure you have the ArcGIS API for Python installed. If you don't have the API, I suggest checking out the description below for instruction on how to get started. The ArcGIS Living Atlas of the world is an incredible resource containing petabytes of free accessible data. This includes many real-time layers with Earth observation data. By term of use, accessing this wealth of information only requires having an ArcGIS account, even for layers that do not require authentication. Today, I will show you as an anonymous user how easy it is to search and return Living Atlas layers and retrieve a specific item by ID. One of the many valuable layers available is the recent earthquake feature layer collection. Let's go through how to load this as an anonymous user and then load the data into pandas for analysis. To start, we will explore the Living Atlas and demonstrate how to access its dataset. Start by navigating to the Search tab and entering your desired search query. I have decided to search for available feature service by typing type keywords feature service. Next, you can apply filters to customize the display of your content. I will select layers from the all content type box and world from the all region box. These filters help narrow down the specific type of geospatial data you are seeking within the Living Atlas. You will then see the real-time feature services. I will now showcase how to access geospatial data for the recent earthquake feature service. Once we have identified the layer you are interested in, we will retrieve it by its unique ID. One approach is to go to the Living Atlas, find the desired layer and copy its unique ID. We use the get property of the layer to retrieve the specific layer item. This allows us to access its detailed information and data. After retrieving the layer, we will see how to load this data into a pandas data frame. This process allows us to maintain and analyze the geospatial data using the powerful pandas library. We access the layers table and convert it into a pandas data frame using from_layer method provided by ArcGIS API. Here you can see all the data are retrieved and converted into a pandas data frame. This lets you easily manipulate and analyze the geospatial data. This is just the beginning of what you can do with the ArcGIS Living Atlas and Google Colab. I invite you to watch the next video where you will learn how to perform advanced spatial analysis using these tools. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our series on leveraging ArcGIS data in your projects. See you in the next video.